Hello viewers, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Narito po muli si Tito Andy or Kuya Andy. Ito po ang ating magiging topic ngayon. Ang aming screen door na pag binuksan mo ay hindi na dahan-dahang sumasara bagkos. But then instead it's slamming down on the hump, creating a sound source. Very noisy. So this is the problem that I'm seeing. So I'm gonna have to change it and put a new one. Okay, let's go guys and fix it. Actually I bought a new one. This one the name is Pneumatic door closer. So pneumatic door closer, it's around 150 pesos when I bought it at Shopee. Okay, let's try to open it. It's very dark. I'm gonna need the scissor for us to easily open it. Okay, it contains this it looks like a hydraulic drum holder and screws. Let's check it out if it's still I can put it just the same as the older one version here. So let's put it on for a while and see if it fits. So it's the same. The measurement is the same. Okay, let's go guys. Let's remove the old one. Let's see what's view is better. Okay. It's removed so fast. So but then but then since we have all the parts that we're going to use here, we just remove the older one. Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm fixing the door.
Why?
It's not functioning properly anymore.
You know why, Dad?
Ah, don't know because of our use. It's been in use for a long time already. That's why it's not.
And we're going to jump in the house.
Yeah.
Going to jump in the house, Dada.
Okay, that's tight enough. Next one is to remove the other end arm. It's already rusted. It's hard to remove. Okay, you got it. I'm going to use a new screws because the older screws is already rusted and it's no longer good to use.
Oh, was that you? I thought someone knocked.
Si Ate na dito mag-isa?
Tate ata yun. What's your birthday? I have something to tell you. Mamang and Papang will stay here with us. Not 10 years. For 1 week.
Ah, for 1 week.
Yeah.
But I was ready.
Okay, you tell them. Oh, they're going to stay for 7 days.
But I was taking days.
Now, don't forget to put it first before you. And this is the lock
Knock.
for you to be able to let the door open. Okay. That's it, guys. Let's check if it's going to work properly. Ah, yes, it works perfect. It's now it won't slam anymore. It works just perfectly fine. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy or you have learned something out of this video, just subscribe and press the button uh, to watch more videos that I'm going to do. Okay, guys. If you like to comment or want to watch some more videos or any topic that you'd like to for me to do, just comment below on the box. Thank you and see you guys.